Sir, the students will. Yashasvi.
Wisdom.
Wisdom. Very good. Wisdom is the quality of a wise king. Next, third one, an honest shopkeeper. What is his quality?
Ma'am, may I?
Select. Yes, Avi.
Ma'am, honesty.
Yes, his quality is honesty. Next, a sincere friend. A sincere friend. Levansh. Levansh. A sincere friend.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Ananya. Ananya Miglani.
Ma'am,
Sincerity. Yes, sincerity is the quality of a sincere friend. Very good. Next one, a proud person. A proud person. His quality is, yes, Karun.
Ma'am, may I? Pride.
Yes, yes, please repeat.
Ma'am, pride.
Yes, very good. Next is an innocent child. An innocent child. Daksh Mehla.
Yes, ma'am.
An innocent child. But tell me the quality of an innocent child.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, innocent.
Yes, innocence. Okay, innocence. Next is an
Excuse me,
intelligent student. Yes, who is here?
ma'am. Page number.
Yes. This is page number 16. Chapter number 5, page number 16. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Seventh one we are doing of part F. An intelligent student.
Ma'am, may I?
Pankaj.
Yes, ma'am.
An intelligent student.
Intelligence.
Yes. His quality is his intelligence. A lazy worker.
Ma'am, may I?
Lazy worker.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Vansham.
Ma'am, window.
Yes.
Ma'am, window.
No.
May
Himanshu. Himanshu.
Ma'am, laziness. Angry.
Yes. Laziness. Very good. Next, a kind man.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may
Yes.
I?
No, no. Ishita.
Kind.
Yes, Ishita.
Ma'am, may I?
Ishita. No. Vansh, mute your mic. Ishita.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Lavisha.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, kindness.
Yes, very good. Next, the last one, an angry person.
Ma'am, may I? Anger.
Levansh.
Angrily. Ma'am, anger.
Anger. Yes, very good. Yes. Now let's move to part G. Some words are given in the book. Form abstract nouns. From them, write them in the correct web chart. Students, some words are given in the books. You have to form abstract nouns by adding DOM, ITY, MENT or TH. Okay. So get ready for the participation again. First one is king. First one is king. Form abstract noun. Yes, Nilesh.
Ma'am, kingdom.
Kingdom. We have to add DOM with this to form abstract noun.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
King,
मैम
kingdom.
ये जहाँ पे डम
Yes.
लिखे इसके आगे किंग लिखना है
Better you will get
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
PDF. You have to do according to that.
ओके मैम
Okay. You have to do your work according to the solved PDF which I will send to you. Okay. Next is wise. Yes, Vidhi.
wisdom
Spelling of wisdom.
WISDM
Yes, E will remove. Okay. WISDOM. Next is deep. Pankaj.
depth
Spelling of
DEEPTH
no. DEPTH.
मैम DEPTH
DEPTH. Depth. Next is free. Ananya Meglani.
मैम freedom
Who has given the answer?
मैम पंकज
It was Ananya's turn. Wait for your turn, Pankaj. Everybody should get a chance. Next is real. Now, Divya. Divya. Jannat.
मैम
No.
May I?
No. No one will say may I or may I tell. Only raise your hands. No one will shout. Vansham, mute your mic. Yes, Jannat. Unmute yourself. Nikhil. Nikhil.
मैम please repeat the question
You have to form abstract noun with the word real by adding DOM, ITY, MENT or TH. What we add to the word real to form abstract noun? DOM, ITY, MENT or TH. What should we add?
May I?
मैम ITY
Yes, the word will be reality. Okay. REALITY. The word will be, the abstract noun will be reality. Next one, true.
मैम truth
Who has given the answer, Ronnie?
yes मैम
Why? Was it your turn?
yes
Was it your turn? Yes,
no
true, truth. Next is pay.
Ma'am, may I?
No. I can see your raised hands on the screen. Only raise your hands. Sirat,
Ma'am,
pay.
payment.
Very good. Next, agree. Now, Roni, it's your turn. Roni,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer. Agree.
Ma'am, agreement.
Yes, agreement. Next, equal. Himanshu,
Equal ITY.
equality. This word is equality. 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 Okay. Next is treat. Vidhi.
Ma'am, treatment.
Very good. Next is scare. Scars. Daisy.
Ma'am, ma'am, forgot T.
Scarcity. E will be removed. Okay. And you have to add ITY. The last one is grow. Last
Ma'am, may
one
I?
is grow. Karun.
Ma'am, may I?
Karun. No. Karun.
Ma'am, growth.
Yes. Growth. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next part is fill in the blanks with abstract nouns formed from the words given below. Same thing. First of all, we have to form the abstract nouns with the words given in the box. We have to form abstract nouns with these words. First one is popular, popularity, independent, independence, then know, knowledge, then punish, punishment, then strong, strength, then high, height, HEIGHT, then loss, LOSS, and the last word is marry. Marriage is the abstract noun that we can form with this word. Okay. Now we have to fill these abstract nouns in the blanks. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So be attentive. First one is Hercules was a man of great blank.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes, Vansham.
Ma'am, strong.
You have to fill abstract noun which we can form with this word strong.
Ma'am, may I?
Strength. Abstract noun that we can form with this word strong is strength. Okay, he was a man of great strength. Second is blank is power. Blank is power. Yashasvi?
Ma'am, strength.
Yes?
Ma'am, strength. Ma'am, may I?
No?
Ma'am, strength.
Hercules was a man of great strength. We have already filled this word.
Ma'am,
We
may
are
I?
doing now second one. Blank is power.
Ma'am, may I?
Himanshu?
Implanted.
Himanshu?
Ma'am, strong.
No?
Ma'am, may I?
Choose
Ma'am,
the
may I?
words from the box
Ma'am,
given
may I?
below.
Ma'am,
Yes,
May I?
Daisy.
Ma'am, I me.
Avi, you should say
May I?
may I.
May I?
Knowledge is the power.
Yes,
May
Yashasvi, please repeat.
Knowledge is the power.
Very good, very good. Knowledge is the power. Knowledge is the abstract noun that we can form with the word know. Okay, knowledge is power. Very nice. Third one, film stars enjoy immense blank. Film stars enjoy immense blank. Pankaj,
Ma'am, popularity.
very good. Popularity. Next, can you guess the blank of Mount Everest?
May I?
Can you guess the blank of Mount
May I?
Everest? Yes, Nilesh. Nilesh. It's
Ma'am,
your
may
turn,
I?
Nilesh.
Ma'am,
Can you guess the blank of Mount Everest?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Levansh. Levansh.
Ma'am, may I? Yes. Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may
Wait
I?
for your turn, Vansham. Bhanu.
Ma'am, hi.
Mute your mic. Yes, Nilesh. Nilesh. Do you know the answer? Yes, Pankaj.
Ma'am, height.
Height. What is the spelling of height?
Height.
Very good. Next one. India got its blank on 15th August 1947. India
Ma'am,
got its blank on 15th August 1947.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
No.
may I?
Now it's Nikhil. It's your turn. Nikhil.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, ma'am.
India got its blank on 15th August 1947.
Ma'am, independent.
You have to form abstract noun with the word independent. And
Ma'am, may
the
I?
abstract noun is
May I?
independence. Okay,
May
you
I?
have to fill independence. India got its independence on 15th August 1947. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Vansham, mute your mic. Next, the old couple has been blessed with a long and happy blank. The old couple has
Ma'am, may
been
I?
blessed with a long
Ma'am, may
and
I?
happy blank.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
may
I?
I?
No.
Ma'am, may I?
Ayush Dikshit.
Ma'am,
No, Nilesh. Yes, Ayush Dikshit.
ma'am, may I?
Ayush.
Ma'am, may I?
No, Vidhi. Lavisha.
Ma'am, Mary.
The old couple has been blessed with a long and happy marriage. Okay. Next one. There will be a great blank if the factory closes down. There will be a great blank if the factory closes down. Ishita.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Ma'am, may I?
Ishita.
Ma'am, may I?
No.
Ma'am, may I?
Nilesh, no.
Ma'am, may I?
Ishita. Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, loss.
Very good. There will be a great loss if the property closes, if the factory closes down. And the last one, forgiveness is the best form of blank.
Ma'am, may I?
Forgiveness is the best form of blank.
Ma'am, may I?
Popular.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Yes, Avi,
ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Bhanu, mute your mic.
Ma'am,
Bhanu,
popular.
Nilesh, Vansham, mute your mic. Yes, Avi. Avi,
Ma'am.
forgiveness is the best form of.
Ma'am,
Yes, please repeat your
popularity.
answer.
Ma'am, punishment.
Punishment. Yes, forgiveness is the best form of punishment. That's all about the abstract nouns. Now, next is collective nouns. What is the definition of a collective noun? A collective noun is the name of a collection of persons or things taken together. Okay, it is the name of a collection or group, you can say, of persons or things. Like, look at part J. Underline the collective nouns in the following sentences. First one, the farmer had a team of oxen to plow the field. Find out the collective noun in this sentence. The farmer had a team of oxen to plow the field. Pankaj,
May I?
Vansham, mute your mic and wait for your turn. Yes, Pankaj?
Ma'am, team.
Yes, here team is a collective noun which is used for group of oxen. Okay? Team is a collective noun which we can use for group of players also. Okay? Second sentence, one of my cousins is a member of the church choir. One of my cousins is a member of the church choir.
Choir.
Yashasvi? Lavisha, was it your turn? Yes. Choir is a collective noun which is used for the group of singers, which can be used as a group of singers. Clear? Choir is a collective noun which we use for the group of singers. Next, the policeman could not control the mob. The policeman could not control the mob. Vidhi,
Ma'am, mob.
what is the meaning of mob? Yes, your answer is correct. Here, mob is a collective noun. What is the meaning of mob? Mob means crowd of people that causes trouble. Okay. Mob is a collective noun which we use for crowd of people that causes trouble.
Ma'am, 2 वाला repeat करना.
One of my cousins is a member of the church choir. Here choir is a collective noun which is used for group of singers. Okay. Fourth is Mr. Bedi owns a fleet of luxury cars. Mr. Bedi owns a fleet of luxury cars. Daisy,
Ma'am, luxury.
no.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Uh,
may I?
Yes, Sirat.
Ma'am, fleet.
Yes, fleet is a collective noun. It is here we use it for the group of luxury cars. Okay. Fifth one, the baby elephant hid behind a clump of trees?
Ma'am, may I?
Ayush?
May I?
Ayush.
Clamp. Clamp.
Yes, clump is used for group of trees. Next, the crowd was very noisy. Crowd was very noisy. Karun.
Ma'am, may I?
Karun. The crowd was very noisy. Yashasvi.
Crowd.
Yes, crowd is a collective noun. It means group of people. Okay. Last one, a troupe of dancers from Rajasthan was the main attraction of the festival. A troupe of dancers from Rajasthan was the main attraction of the festival.
Ma'am, may
Yes,
I?
Nikhil. Nikhil.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
We are doing 7th sentence of J part. A troupe of dancers from Rajasthan was the main attraction.
Ma'am, troop.
Yes, please repeat.
Ma'am, troop.
Troupe. Yes, a troupe of dancers. Troupe is a collective noun which we use for the group of dancers. Okay. For the collection, or you can say group of dancers. Again, I am repeating the same part. The farmer had a team of oxen to plow the field. Here, team is a collective noun. Second sentence, one of my cousins is a member of the church choir. Here, choir is a collective noun. Third one, the policeman could not control the mob. Here, mob is a collective noun. Next one, Mr. Bedi owns a fleet of luxury cars. Here, fleet is a collective noun. Fifth one, the baby elephant hid behind a clump of trees. Here, clump is a collective noun. Sixth one, the crowd was very noisy. Here, the crowd is a collective noun which is used for group of people. Last one, a troupe of dancers from Rajasthan was the main attraction of the festival. Here, troupe is a collective noun. Is it clear or is there any doubt? Clear? Or is there any query? Is there any query? Do you
No,
want to
ma'am.
ask something?
No, ma'am. No,
Or
ma'am.
everything is clear? Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Next part. Sirat, what are you doing? Don't draw anything on the screen. Yes. Next, again, exercise for collective nouns. A collection of puppies, a group of singers, a group of sailors working on a ship, a collection of ants, a collection of poems, a collection of soldiers. Second side, colony, army, choir, crew, anthology, and litter. You have to match. The first one, a collection of puppies. Yes, Vansham?
Ma'am, crew.
Yes, a collection of puppies.
Ma'am, crew.
No. Vidhi? Collection of puppies.
Ma'am,
Ayush?
anthology.
No.
Ma'am,
Litter. Very good. Litter is a collective noun which we use for a group of or a collection of puppies. Very nice. Second one, a group of singers. A group of singers. This word we used in the J part also.
मैम मैं आए
Group of
मैम
singers.
मैं आए
Daisy. Pankaj.
मैम मैं आए
No.
मैम
Pankaj. No, Vidhi. Group of singers. Spelling.
CHOIR
Choir. Yes. Third one, a group of sailors working on a ship. A collective noun for a group of sailors working on a ship.
core
Who is there? Yes, Vansham. Have you given the answer?
no ma'am
Who is there? Yes, Yashasvi.
Crew.
Crew. Very good. Very good. Crew is a collective noun which we use for the group of sailors working on a ship. Next is collection of ants. Collection of ants.
मैम मैं आए
Ananya.
मैम आर्मी
Very good. Next is collection of poems.
मैम मैं आए
Collection of poems. Yes, Vansham.
मैम कॉलोनी
No.
मैं आई
Collection of ants. Who is given the answer for that? Collection of ants.
मैम अनन्या
Ananya, your answer was wrong. Collection of ants means colony. Okay. I think you have given the answer army.
मैम लाइट
But the right answer is colony. Okay. Ananya, is it okay?
ओके मैम
Next, fifth one, collection of poems.
मैम मैं आई
Himanshu.
मैं आई
Yes, collection of poems.
लाइटर मैं आई
Yes,
मैथोलॉजी
anthology. Yes, anthology is a collective noun for collection of poems. And the last one, a collection of soldiers.
मैम मैं आई आर्मी आर्मी रजिस्टर
Army. Yes. Collection of soldiers, army. Again, I am repeating the same part. Collection of